Today I'm going to show you how to set a sleep timer on your Samsung TV. This is a super useful feature if you like to fall asleep while watching TV. After a set amount of time, your TV will automatically turn off, saving energy and helping you get some uninterrupted sleep. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Here's how you do it. Grab your Samsung TV remote and press the home button. This will bring up the menu on your screen. Now use the navigation buttons to scroll all the way to the left and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and select General. From there, go to System Manager, then choose Time. Inside the time settings, you'll see an option for Sleep Timer. Go ahead and select it. Now you can choose how long you want the TV to stay on before it turns itself off. For example, you might set it to 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or even longer, depending on how much TV you want to watch before sleeping. After you've chosen your preferred time, you're all set. Your TV will automatically turn off once the timer runs out, so you can relax and not worry about it staying on all night. And that's it. Quick and easy. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful.